Good morning, traders and investors. My name is Shane Mungangi, one of the best market analysts here at HFM. HFM is a multi-winning awarded broker that provides for you as a trader and investor the best trading opportunities and trading environment. So coming in today, what do we have? So on the weekend, we saw Trump entering into a trade war with Euro. He announced that there may be a potential 50% tariff between Euro and the US, and this is set to take effect on the 1st of June. So this has brought some notable effects, and it has brought also some notable market impacts when you come to the US stocks and also to the UK stocks, and we are going to see right now how it impacted the US and the UK stocks. So coming on to US 500, you can see just after that announcement, when Trump announced about the trade war between the retaliatory tariffs between Euro and the US, we saw immediately we had a spike down, because this is going to affect the industrial autos in the UK and also the luxury and agricultural products both in the UK and in the US, and that's why we had that large spike on the US 500. Also coming on to the US 100 on the stocks, we can see let me go to the 1 hour chart. We can see just after Trump announced about the retaliatory tariffs, sorry about that, we saw the tech industry moved down sharply, and at the moment it's recovering. The same with the US 30, where we had it move down sharply on the 1 hour chart. Coming also to the UK 100, we saw on the 1 hour chart, we saw that sharp spike move down after the announcement, and this comes out of uncertainty and fear, because we all understand that when tariffs comes out, which is a risk-off event, we see traders and investors being fearful and moving out of anything that may cause them to have losses on their portfolio, and they will move to something like gold. And we also saw what happened during the announcement. Gold spiked upwards because gold is considered as a safe haven, and at the moment we are at our support zone at the 3343.27, where we are having it find a reaction on that zone. So moving on to our forex and the US index. Starting on with the US index, you can see on the US index we had a reaction of the 100.02 level, which we had talked about, and we were expecting it to move to continue to move down as the US economy seems to be in a risk of recession, and we are seeing it now move past our support zone at the 99.31. I will be looking for a pullback to that zone to have a continuation move down or a bounce off from the 98.07 level as the US economy continues to show signs of weakness. Coming also to our Euro USD, moving on to our daily chart, you can see we are sharply moving upwards, having print upwards from our support zone at the 1.13140. A pullback to this area to have a continuation up will be a valid play for me at the moment, targeting our all-time highs, but considering also that we are expecting 50% tariff on the Eurozone beginning on the 1st of June if the Eurozone does not respond to Trump. The same has been happening also to JPP USD, where we have sharply moved up, printing all-time highs at the 1.35723, continuing to climb higher. Again, a pullback to our previous resistance zone now turns support will be a good play for me to continue the play up Otherwise, if I want to catch longs on this move, I will wait for also pullbacks on my lower time frame, like the 15 minutes, have it move pull back to the support zone that it has created on the lower time frame to have this continuation move upwards. Coming also to USD JPY, we understand that here the USD is the base currency, and since it's a base currency, as the US index continues to show signs of weakness, we'll also see the same on the USD JPY, and at the moment we are printing downwards, having it react from our 144.120 level, and we are continuing to move downwards, targeting 140.787 as we continue to see signs of weakness. On the Audi USD, we saw on the daily chart previously, on the previous week, we were seeing some sort of ranging on this market, no clear direction on this market, and at the moment right now we are seeing it move past our support zone, and the body is above the our resistance zone, and the body is above our resistance zone at the 0.64917 level. Again, a pullback on this zone to continue upwards on the 0.65810 will be a good move for me, as we are seeing the USD being weaker and the Audi getting stronger. So with that said, those are the zones that we have looked at on our major assets that we are trading this week. And also, not to forget, we have the FOMC minutes coming out this Wednesday. So I'll be having a keen lookout on what is going to happen, what is going to be announced on that day. So with that said, my name is Shin Mwangangi, one of the best market analysts here at HFM, where we provide for you the best trading opportunities and trading environment so that you can go and maneuver the markets with ease. So don't forget to go to our YouTube page to like, subscribe, and share, and also to comment. This will help us improve our algorithm so that we can create better videos for you as a trader and investor. With that said, good day and have a good trading day. Goodbye.